As part of the Office of the Auditor General of Canada, I conduct audits and studies on federal government programs and activities related to the environment and sustainable development. Our auditors play a critical role in helping to provide parliamentarians and Canadians with objective, independent analysis of and recommendations on the federal government's efforts to protect the environment, mitigate the effects of climate change, and foster sustainable development. We have conducted several audits focused on climate change, biodiversity, Canada's Sustainable Development Strategy, and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. You can read more about our work on the website of the Office of the Auditor General of Canada.
So the Green Fiscal Policy Network works with the governments around the world to make sure that their public finance and fiscal policy are well aligned with their sustainable development goals. UNEP, as a co-founder of the Green Fiscal Policy Network, together with the German Development Agency and the International Monetary Fund and many other technical partners, supports countries to accelerate their climate, pollution, and nature-related actions through fiscal policy reforms. This entails, for instance, removing or phasing out environmentally harmful subsidies, such as fossil fuel subsidies, introducing price incentives and environmental taxations to incentivize their consumers' behavior for sustainability, promoting sustainable public procurement, which accounts for a significant part of public spending, and integrating sustainability in public budget design and planning.